So we got this telescopic ladder that is really good for RVs because we want to carry it, and we wanted something that you can close it and it stands long. So when we get up on our RV, and so we're gonna try it out. It's really good because you can put it under your compartments underneath, or your truck, or inside your trailer. Really good for RVs.
So the ladder is very compact. That's why we have it in here. It fits anywhere, like you said, in your areas that most ladders won't fit. A bit higher if you want. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. See, we don't need to extend the ladder all the way up. We're just going to use it enough where we just need it. So we're going to set up a camera here, and the best thing about it is that you just push these buttons, this whole thing collapses. You have to tuck it in after. Why'd you do that? You just plug it in and tuck it in? No.